Recording in progress. Congratulations dahil naging interested ka dito sa Ultimate Kaiser Health Builder, a long-term healthcare and a 3-in-1 savings plan. So this is Coach Ax Acosar. So isa ako sa mga financial educator at trainer ng IMG and syempre nitong Kaiser, Life Insurance Underwriter, Licensed Associate Financial Planner. So sino nga ba si Kaiser? Isa to sa mga premier health maintenance organization siyempre na nag-o-offer ng quality healthcare to a diverse range of clients. Private company, individual government. So marami po tayo mga binigyan na ng quality healthcare at 20 years na nagbibigay ng healthcare coverage so every Filipinos itong healthcare. Yan, natin sa Kaiser. So we have more than 12,000 doctors and counting, hospitals and clinics nationwide. Yan, pwede nyo i-check on our Kaiser map. At meron ding sariling Kaiser Medical Center itong si Kaiser. So 9 clinics and expanding throughout our country. And we have a 24/7 customer care and support group na pwede talagang mag-assist sa ating mga plan holder. At ito yung mga kilalang hospitals na accredited itong Kaiser. Siyempre, hindi naman magtitiwala itong mga malalaking hospitals nito to Kaiser if small company lang or hindi stable itong Kaiser. Nandiyan si St. Luke's, Makati Medical City, at syempre to different provinces, meron po tayong mga private hospitals na accredited itong Kaiser. And syempre yung government, yan, malaki po ang tiwala ng government agencies to Kaiser. Marami po tayong mga agencies na Kaiser ang gamit na healthcare. Kagaya po ng Supreme Court of the Philippines. Yan, kung pinakamalaking ahensya nga ng government nagtiwala, di ba? So, ganun po ka-stable itong ating healthcare company. And Kaiser helps you build a solid financial foundation. Part of our mission in IMG is to teach everyone itong financial foundation at kino-cover na nga po nitong Kaiser Ultimate Health Builder. Kaya siya tinawag na 3-in-1 savings program kasi syempre nandiyan yung healthcare protection for ourselves, life insurance protection for our family, and protection for our future through savings and investments na pwede mag-serve as our retirement fund. Di ba? Isang financial instrument lang, halos cover up na ang iyong financial foundation. At ito nga yung concepts na pwedeng makapagbigay ng tulong sa ating ifs in life. So what if we die too soon? Sino mag-aalaga ng ating family? Malaking tulong yung instant money or life insurance. What if we get sick? Siyempre, solution. Healthcare. Alam naman natin, isang sakit lang kayang ubusin kung ano man mga naipondar natin. And what if we live too long? Siyempre, nandyan yung investment, money working for you na pwedeng mag-serve as our retirement fund pagdating ng ating retirement years. At ito yung 3 major financial needs nga na i-cover up ng Kaiser Ultimate Health Builder. Di ba? Isang financial instrument, isang healthcare investment, i-cover up na lahat yan. Di ba? Sabi nga ni Daniel Padilla, basta may Kaiser, nasa iyo na ang lahat. Baka ikaw na lang ang wala pang Kaiser. Ito na yung opportunity na magkaroon ka ng Kaiser plan mo at ang family mo. So, i-guide ka namin. So, ano ba yung mga benefits and coverage ang meron tayo dito sa Kaiser Ultimate Health Builder? So, meron tayong 3 phases ng mga coverage and benefits natin dito sa Kaiser. So, first phase is the saving or accumulation period. Yun yung first 7 years or yung paying period natin, yung binabayaran natin yung plan. 8 year onwards to 20 years is the extended period. Kahit hindi ka na nagbabayad or naghuhulog dito sa Kaiser plan mo, tuloy-tuloy ang benefits and coverage mo during that time. At pagdating ng maturity period, yun yan, sa 20 years, nandyan yung options natin. Pwede mong i-withdraw yung healthcare fund mo or pwedeng tuloy-tuloy yung benefits and coverage mo even abutin ka ng 100 years old. So, ano yung mga benefits natin dyan? So, umpisahan natin sa first year to 7th year accumulation period or paying period. So, ang mga benefits natin ay una, nandyan yung annual physical examination o yung APE, executive check-up. So, benefit po natin ito kapag naka 1 year of payment na tayo, kung naka monthly. Kung annual installment naman, right away na ma-active yung policy mo, pwede ka na mag-schedule nito. So, nandyan yung complete blood count, urinalysis, fecalysis, checks, x-ray, ECG for ages 35 and up, pap smear for women ages 35 and up. So yan po yung benefits natin. Ito yung tinatawag natin na preemptive test para maiwasan yung mga possible na sakit na magkaroon tayo. Second benefit is the dental care. Ayan, so meron po tayong simple tooth extraction, cleaning ng ngipin, temporary filling or pasta, depende po sa plan na meron tayo. Okay? And nandyan yung term life insurance natin. So ito yung maganda sa natin 3-in-1 savings plan. First is life insurance. Meron tayong term life insurance depending po sa plan. K45 plan for 10 to 40 years old. So meron tayong 202,500 na life insurance coverage. K60 plan for ages 41 to 50, 270,000 ang life insurance coverage natin. Kung 51 to 60 na tayo, K75 plan, 337,500 yung life insurance coverage. So pwede rin tayo mag-avail ng higher plan. Depende sa budget natin or gusto mong coverage. So ito, yung minimum na pwede natin i-avail per age. So dito sa life insurance, meron tayong tinatawag na 2-year contestability period. Ibig sabihin, kung ang cause of death is natural death, di ba, nagkasakit, maaaring i-investigate muna ni company kung ano yung cause of death. Kasi baka mamaya may sakit talaga before mag-avail ng plan. Ay, di ano siya, bad faith, di ba? Maaaring hindi ibigay yung insurance coverage, pero matutuloy ng family yung healthcare plan. Meron din tayong accidental death benefit. So, ibig sabihin yan, kung accident ang cause of death, doble yung marireceive ng family. So, additional 202,500 for K45 plan, 270,000 o doble for K60 plan, 41 to 50, 337,500. So, again, times 2 yan. From 51 to 60 for K75 plan. At walang contestability period kapag accidental death. Kasi, syempre, hindi naman naasahan talaga yun. Even weeks pa lang, months, or within 1 year pa lang na nag-a-avail ng plan, si plan holder ay cover tayo nitong benefits na yan. At ang maganda nito, 20 years tayo cover. Kahit 7 years ka lang nag-ipon, 20 years ka cover nitong life insurance natin. So, meron din tayong tinatawag na waiver of installment of premium due to death. So, ibig sabihin, aside from the insurance amount, matatransfer to the primary beneficiary itong plan natin, fully paid na. Hindi na kailangan bayaran kapag na-transfer sa family. At meron din tayong total and permanent disability. If nagkaroon tayo talaga ng condition na tayo ay totally permanent disabled, ay hindi mo na kailangan bayaran itong Kaiser plan mo. Fully paid na siya. At meron din tayong dismemberment benefit. Ibig sabihin, if may nawalang bahagi ng katawan, may certain amount tayo na marireceive para makatulong for faster recovery. So yan yung part ng ating insurance coverage. At next natin is the inpatient benefit or the hospitalization benefit. So ito na yung basic medical health benefits natin. So we have accredited physician's fee, specialist fee, operating room, intensive care, at cover tayo up to the benefit limit during 7 years. Iba-iba din yung room and board, depende sa plan. Pero, yun nga, for example, yung minimum plan natin for 10 to 40 years old, 50,000 per year during 7 years ang ating hospitalization benefit limit. Ayan, so again, kung gusto mo na mas mataas na plan, pwede. Ito ay minimum for 10 to 40 years old. So kung magamit mo yung 50,000 for this year, next year 50,000 ulit. Pero hindi siya maiipon. Di ba? Basta fix 50,000 per year during 7 years. Kung 41 to 50 years old ka, kay 60 plan ka, yung minimum para sa'yo, so 50,000 per year din yan during 7 years. Again, kung gusto mo mas mataas na plan, pwede. Depende sa gusto mong coverage at sa budget mo. And kung 51 to 60 ka na, K75 plan, 60,000 per year yung coverage mo during 7 years. And again, pwede ka ulit mag-avail ng higher plan. At ang maganda nito, kahit mag 60 plus ka na, once na ma-start mo tong healthcare plan, tuloy-tuloy yung benefits and coverage mo. Mayroon nga humahabol, mga 58, 59 years old. So kung nasa ganong age ka o yung parents mo nasa ganong age, maganda makuhanan mo nitong long-term healthcare. Kasi pagdating ng 60 plus, hindi na nakakakuha ng healthcare plans. Okay? So yan yung mga benefits natin and we have our limitations. So una nga, kailangan maka 1 year of payment para dun sa hospitalization benefit. No outpatient consultation. Confinement pa lang during 7 years pero meron tayong annual executive check-up. Pre-existing conditions and dreaded illnesses not covered during 7 years. Maternity not covered. family members not covered. So, individual healthcare plan po ito. Kaya maganda, bawat family members mo, meron kanya-kanyang long-term healthcare. Non-accredited hospitals, doon ka na-admit, 80% pwedeng ma-reimburse kung may accredited hospitals within the area. Pero kung wala, 100% pwede natin ma-reimburse. Maganda kasi sa accredited ka na ma-admit in any case para hindi ka na mag-cash out. Alright? And your PhilHealth benefit is integrated with Kaiser. So, kailangan po talaga meron tayong PhilHealth. Yeah, kasi mayroon po talagang portion na i-cover up si PhilHealth sa mga healthcare plans, no? So, makaka-discount tayo. Then, syempre yung coverage ay i-charge sa benefit limit. Worst case, kung wala kang Kaiser, wala kang PhilHealth, kailangan i-shoulder yung portion ng PhilHealth. Kailangan bayaran ni nung na-admit sa hospital. Kaya dapat may PhilHealth po tayo. Okay? So maganda po meron tayo niyan. So pagdating ng 8 year to 20 years, ito maganda, extended healthcare coverage. So kahit hindi ka na nagbabayad ng plan mo kasi fully paid ka na, tuloy-tuloy yung benefits mo. So ano yung mga coverage natin? So meron kang yearly health benefit. So kumikita ng 10% yung plan mo, depende sa na-avail mong plan. Additional yearly healthcare benefit, meron tayong interest in dividends na pwedeng ma-receive. At ang limitations natin ay wala na. So outpatient benefit, meron na tayo, cover na. Inpatient benefit, syempre. Pre-existing and dreaded illnesses, cover na. Maternity benefit is cover. Ayan, so lahat yan ay cover na. Up to the yearly benefit natin. O yung laman ng healthcare fund mo. Yun yung magiging benefit mo, 8-year onwards. Yung mga dental and APE, hindi na po yung libre, i-charge na yan sa ating healthcare fund. Sa 7 years na siya, libre. So magkano yung ating healthcare fund during 8 years onwards? So for K45 plan, 10 to 40 years old, mapapansin mo medyo mababa pa yan sa umpisa. Nasa 19,341. Pero habang hindi mo siya nagagamit, naiipon na yan, nag-accumulate na siya every year. Magiging 31,000, 44,000, 58,000, 74,000, up to 286,000. Diba? On the 20s. Kung hindi mo magamit, syempre kung may usage ka po dyan in between, mababawasan po yan. So, yan yung ating coverage during 8 year onwards. So, kaya kung gusto mo mas mataas sa plan, pwede naman. Yan, K60 plan, minimum natin for 41 to 50 years old. Pero yung 10 to 40, pwede din mag-avail nitong K60 plan. So, ang benefit natin, 8 year onwards, dahil hindi mo na siya binabayaran, ito na lang yung kinikita ng healthcare fund mo, 25,789 from 8 years, magiging 41,000, 58, 78,000, up to 381,000. Habang hindi mo nagagamit, naiipon lang siyang naiipon. Kung 51 to 60 ka, o yung parent mo 51 to 60, ihabol mo na magkaroon nito. 8 years, 32,000, 51,000, 73,000, 97,000, up to 476,000 pagdating ng 20 years. So ito po yung ating healthcare coverage. Pero take note, hindi mo pa po ito mawi-withdraw ha after 7 years. Ito po intended for your healthcare. Healthcare protection mo po ito. Kaya hindi po muna siya pwede i-withdraw as cash. Kasi coverage mo po yan moving forward. Kahit hindi mo na binabayaran, may healthcare protection ka at life insurance coverage. Okay? At ano mangyayari pagdating ng 20 years kung healthy talaga tayo, rewarded tayo, hindi natin nagamit yung healthcare natin? Ito na yung tinatawag na maturity period. So, sa maturity period, once a policy matures, the member or plan holder is entitled to receive the following: long-term care benefit value, your unused healthcare benefit, additional yearly health benefit, long-term care bonus or money back. So, ito total na natin. Ages 10 to 40 years old, K45 plan. Yan. Kung hindi po natin nagamit lahat, ang pwede pong ma-receive or pwede mong ma-receive on the 20 years, kasama yung bonus or money back. Ito pong long-term care bonus, money back po yan. If you don't avail your inpatient benefit, hindi ka na confined during 7 years, marireceive mo po itong 85% ng nabayad mo. Guaranteed po yan sa 20 years pa lang ibibigay. Di ba? Pero at least may aasahan ka na pagdating ng 20 years. So 524,000. Imagine kung meron kang 10 years old na anak. Di ba? Kinuha mo nitong K45, kahit K45 plan. Pagdating niya ng 30 years old, meron siyang 524,000. Di ba? Siyempre, during that time, hindi pa na masyado sakitin. Healthy pa yung mga bata. Di ba? Mga 18, 15, mga teens. Ano? So, yung 524,000, yung magiging maturity value ng ating plan. Kung ano ka naman, 41 to 50, K60 plan, ang total natin, including the 210,000 bonus or money back, meron kang 699,000 or 700,000. Diba? Yan yung may ipon pagdating ng 20 years kung hindi mo nagamit si healthcare. Kung 51 to 60 ka, K75 plan, ang total mo, including the money back, again, kung hindi mo magamit during 7 years, is 262,500. Meron kang 874,000. Yan yung maiipon na healthcare fund mo. Diba? O, habang hinihintay mo, may healthcare ka, may life insurance, may savings fund ka. At ano pwedeng gawin mo dyan pagdating ng 20 years or maturity ng plan natin? You have the options to choose. Withdraw fully as cash. Pwede mo po siyang i-cash out lahat, no, on the 20 years maturity. Kaya lang pag withdraw mo siya lahat, tapos na yung healthcare mo, benefits mo, coverage mo, end of contract na. Or another option, instead na withdrawin mo siya lahat, pwede hindi mo siya withdrawin. Hayaan mo lang siya dyan para tuloy-tuloy yung benefits and coverage mo moving forward at tuloy-tuloy yung benefits and coverage mo. Kumikita pa ng interest and dividends kahit abutin ka ng 100 years old. Pwedeng kalahati. 50% i-cash out mo, 50% itira mo as healthcare fund. O kumari dito, 400,000, i-withdraw mo pang travel. Yung tira, gamitin mong healthcare moving forward. At when you need it, you can withdraw it anytime. Withdrawable. Di ba? Parang ano ka, passive income. Kumikita yung healthcare fund mo. Pwedeng as cash mo gamitin moving forward. Di ba? Okay? So, ito po yung mga plans na pwede mong mapamilian. Kung kay 45 plan, ito yung payment period natin. 7 years na po siyang babayaran. 2,647 yan. No? Kung yearly, may discount. 26,470. Discounted ka ng 2 months. Times 10 lang yan. No, so may policy fee lang tayo na 500 pesos per year. So plus 500 yan sa initial. Tapos sa anniversary ng plan, may 500 din. Kung K60 na tayo, 41 to 50, 3,529 na yung minimum natin. 35,293 yung yearly. Kung K75 plan, 51 to 60 years old, 4,412. So annual, 44,000, discounted ka ng 2 months. Again, pwede ka mag-avail ng mas na plan. Ito nga yung K100 plan. 1.1 million yung maturity niya. Kaysa po to sa bestseller or standard plan natin na pwede mo din makonsider or higher plans depende sa yung budget. Pwede ka din kumari monthly muna tapos eventually upgrade mo to annual pag mga para discount. Pero hindi mo na siya pwede i-downgrade. So ayan po, no, may mga questions ka about sa payment period, dito sa mga coverage, ay syempre yun yung next steps natin is question and answer. Mag-message ka lang po, i-guide ka namin sa next step at paano mag-create ng account nitong Kaiser. So kung titingnan mo, no, sabihin natin nagbabayad ka ng 10,000 per year sa short-term healthcare. Sa 20 years, wala na yung 200,000 mo, all expense na. 'Di ba? Unlike kung nag-invest ka talaga sa 7 years ng long-term healthcare, may maturity ka na pwede expect at may life insurance coverage ka din at healthcare during the 20 years coverage natin. So meron po tayong online policy management system kaya kahit nasan location ka, nasa ibang bansa ka, pwede kang mag-avail ng plan na to. Kasi pwede mong i-track yung benefit card mo, yung payments mo, yung contract mo, available on our online policy management system. At pwede mong i-check on our Kaiser map, ano ba yung malapit na accredited hospitals dyan sa area mo. So kaya napakaganda po nitong long-term healthcare natin. So kaya congratulations. So ano ba next step natin? Again, after mo po mapanood itong video na to, mag-message po tayo at i-guide po kita paano mag-create ng account at sa masagot ang iyong mga questions, paano mag-start ng Kaiser plan for you and for your family. Congratulations!